Hi everyone! So we're now moving on to the fifth step, which is the preparation of our worksheet. So if you're not yet our subscriber, please consider subscribing to our channel and I promise that it will be worth it. Go CPA! Ano ko ditong worksheets? Ito, this is a 16 column na worksheet. Ginamit ko to noong grade 11. Ayan, malaki talaga siya. Ito example. Ayan. Ito 10. 10 columns lang. Malaki siya talaga. Mag-cover ang face ko. Ganito yung loob niya. Ayan. Ganito. Ayan. So, ito ay ginagamit ng mga accountants o syempre tayong mga students para ma-transfer yung mga unadjusted trial balance na ginawa natin. Ang unadjusted trial balance is ginawa natin nung fourth step. So, panoorin nyo kung hindi nyo pa napapanood para hindi kayo mahirapang intindihin to. Itong mga tinatransfer na unadjusted trial balance sa worksheet natin, ito yung gagamitin para naman i-transfer sa financial statements, which is our sixth step. So, next video natin siya i-discuss. So, marami siyang column, tapos ginagamit siya para maayos na ma-summarize natin yung mga information na ita-transfer natin sa financial statements. Ngayon, pine-prepare ng accountant ang isang worksheet before adjustments are journalized. Ibig sabihin, kapag kailangan na natin mag-adjust sa mga accounts natin, kagaya nung nakaraan, di ba, meron na tayong mga adjustments, yun na yung panahon para i-prepare ang worksheet. And ang worksheet, sinisimplify niya yung pag-prepare ng adjusting at saka ng closing entries natin, which are also journalized and posted din sa ledger. Dito natin makikita yung errors ng mas madali sa worksheet kasi nakalatag lahat ng information sa isang papel lang. Ngayon, ayun nga, summary siya para sa convenience ng mga accountant. Ito na yung pag-prepare natin. Mag-start na tayo. So, let's go! Here's our empty worksheet. Now, ang unang gagawin is to put, again, our headings. Ayan. Siyempre, yun ang pinakamahalaga para detailed ang ating preparation. So, ang account titles, ito ang column niya. Uulitin natin, isulat ang mga accounts, which is cash, accounts receivable, supplies, prepaid rent, service vehicle. Meron na tayong accumulated depreciation ng service vehicle since meron na tayong adjustments. So, may mga madadagdag talaga. Office equipment, tapos accumulated niya na depreciation. Notes payable, ito na yung mga liabilities natin hanggang interest payable. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ganun pa rin yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Asset, liabilities, tapos owner's equity, which is the capital and the withdrawals of the owner. And then, income summary, kadalasan, hindi namin to nasusulatan. But, given kasi siya sa account titles ng company. Tapos, minsan wala kasing given, so ikaw talaga yung magsusulat. Hindi naman siya required isulat. Kasi hindi naman din na lalagyan ng amounts. Tapos, we have the consulting revenues. Ito na yung ito yung income. Tapos, salaries, supplies, rent, utilities, expenses, depreciation expense ng service vehicle and office equipment, which is partner ng accumulated depreciation natin sa assets. Tapos, we have miscellaneous expense. Ito yung mga expenses na sobrang maliliit lang na ginagamit sa company. Minsan hindi in-state na miscellaneous yon, pero obvious naman. Tapos, interest expense. Yan na yung accounts natin. And then, ito sa column na to, first and second column, ang gagamitin natin for the trial balance natin nung nakaraan. So, ililipat natin yung amounts ni debit and credit dito. So, itatapat lang natin din sa accounts nila. Tapos, yung adjustments, yung ginawa natin din nung nakaraan na eto. Ayan. Dito din natin ilalagay sa debit and credit kung ano yung designated na balance niya. Tapos, adjusted trial balance. Kumbaga, ito yung difference or the total of these two. The trial balance and the adjustments. Tapos, ta-transfer natin sa income statement yung income statement accounts. From the income hanggang lahat ng expenses. Tapos, balance sheet accounts. Ang balance sheet is the statement of financial position. Ito transfer natin dito from the assets hanggang sa owner's equity natin. So, this time, hindi balanced ang kakalabasan ng balance sheet at saka ng income statement. Pero, both the debit and the credit sides nila, equal dapat lahat. So, magta-transfer na tayo ng amounts. We have 2,600 sa cash debit. Tapos, we have sa accounts receivable, 36,000 pesos. Debit pa din. Yan. Tapos, we have supplies. Ang supplies is 18,000 debit. Tapos, prepaid rent, which is 8,000. Transfer. Tapos, service vehicle. Service vehicle is 420,000 pesos. After 420,000, we have the accumulated depreciation. Siyempre, hindi pa natin yung lalagyan kasi wala naman siya ditong amount sa trial balance. Di siya kasali. Laktaw. Tapos, we have the office equipment, which is 60,000. So, office equipment, debit, 60,000 pesos. Tapos, wala pa rin siyang accumulated depreciation. So, notes payable na tayo. Notes payable is 210,000. Credit na siya. Kasi liability siya. So, here. Tapos, after 210,000 natin is 53,000 na accounts payable. So, ito ang accounts payable. 53,000 pesos. After 53,000 pesos accounts payable is salaries payable. Meron ba siya sa trial balance? Wala. So, sa capital na tayo. Utilities pa. Wala. Ayun. Utilities payable is 1,400 credit. Wala pa tayo ditong salaries payable. So, 1,400. And then, we have the capital of the owner, which is 250,000 pesos. Wala pa rin tayong interest payable. Capital tayo. 250. Tapos, withdrawals. Withdrawals natin, 14,000 pesos. Transfer ulit, debit ng 14,000. Next is the income summary. So, we leave it empty. Consulting revenues. Ayun. Which is 62,400. Okay. Consulting revenues, 62,400. We have to make sure na nakatapat talaga siya dun sa account niya. Kasi baka mali tayo na sulat. Next is salaries expense, 13,800. Salaries expense. Salaries expense is debit. No, 13,800. After nyan, we have utilities expense. Last na natin is 4,400. Debit. 4,400. Okay. We're done with the trial balance. So, ito total natin siya. Tingnan natin kung balance pa rin. Baka mamali tayo ng transfer. So, let's calculate this. So, I'm done computing, which with 576,800, which is our total din naman sa trial balance natin. I computed both debit and credit side separately. So, balanced sila. Close na natin. So, we have to underline. We have to put a bar here sa ilalim ni interest expense para ilagay na natin yung total sa ilalim. So, ganun pa din. Dito. 576,800. Kabila din. And, syempre, don't forget to double rule the total. Double ruling is from here to there. So, dapat sarado talaga yung column. Next na tayo is the adjustments. Ang adjustments natin, ilalagay natin with corresponding letters. Kung anong naunang transaction, yun yung letter A. Sunod-sunod, marunong naman tayo ng alphabet. So, ayun. For example, we have here, rent expense. Dito tayo sa adjustment columns. Ang rent expense is here. Rent expense, tapos sa adjustment column natin, debit siya syempre. Debit, letter A. Tapos, kapartner niya is prepaid rent. Prepaid rent, letter A din, credit. So, ganun gagawin natin. So, ayan. First natin is the rent expense and prepaid rent. No, debit 4,000, credit 4,000 pesos. So, we have to debit rent expense, letter A, 4,000 pesos. And credit, letter A pa din for the prepaid rent, which is 4,000 pesos. So, sa lahat ng adjustments, ganyan gagawin natin. And, ulit, ito total ang credit and debit and credit sides kung balanced ba sila. Pero dapat silang mag-balance. We have depreciation expense of 4,000 pesos. Yun yung letter C natin for the service vehicle. So, ito yun. Depreciation expense, service vehicle. Debit side ni adjusting entries. So, ito. Letter C. Magkano? 4,000 pesos. Letter C. Dito tayo. Sa accumulated depreciation ng service vehicle. Credit. Letter C. Ito yan. 4,000. Yan. Ganyan lang. Tapos, letter D is depreciation expense din natin ng office equipment. 1,000 pesos. So, depreciation expense, office equipment, letter D. Same goes here. Accumulated depreciation. Dito. Letter D. Letter E is salaries expense. Salaries expense, 1,800. Salaries expense natin, you have to debit how much? 1,800. Letter E. Letter E debit. Ayan. Tapos, salaries payable, credit. Payable. For our last adjustment, letter F na natin to, interest expense, interest payable, debit and credit, 3,500. Interest expense, asan siya? Ito, nasa huli. Debit natin, no? 3,500. And then, you have the interest payable. So, we have to write it sa credit niya. Ayan. Tapos, total na ulit natin ang debit and credit sides to see if they are balanced. So, both our total is 17,300. We'll write it down here. sa ilalim ulit. Kapantay nung balance natin sa trial balance. Kano? 17,300. And, yun, double rule ulit. Double rule it. Mag-start tayo dito sa number na, sa may amounts. Hindi natin isasama sa pag-double rule ng final balances ang mga letters. Yung part ng may letters. So, ganyan siya. Hindi kagaya dito sa trial balance natin. Next na tayo sa adjusted trial balance na. As long as walang katapat na adjustment, itatransfer lang natin yung mismong amount. For example, cash. Transfer lang natin siya ulit sa debit side ni adjusted trial balance, 2,600. Same with accounts receivable and sa supplies, 18,000. Tapos credit niya ng 3,000. Meaning, di ba kapag magkaiba debit and credit, ilalas natin yung mas maliit. So, 18,000 less 3,000. We have a debit of 15,000 pesos. Ayan, prepaid rent natin. 18,000 pesos. So, may nalas na sa kanya na 4,000 pesos na naano na niya. Na-consume niya na for the month. So, 18,000 pesos less the 4,000 amount is 14,000 pesos na lang. Yun ulit yung ide-debit natin kasi mas malaki pa din ang debit side niya. So, it will look like this. We have cash, 2,600 transfer here, debit. Tapos, 36,000 pa din ang accounts receivable since walang adjustment. Pero, sa supplies natin, we have to less the credit of 3,000. So, then prepaid rent natin, 8,000 less 4,000. So, 4,000 na lang. Tapos, next, service vehicle. Wala ring adjustment. Transfer lang natin kay debit ng adjusted trial balance. So, for 20,000. Tapos, next, accumulated depreciation, service vehicle. So, wala naman siya sa trial balance natin. Diba? Saan adjusted? Lagay na natin siya dito kay adjusted na 4,000. Since, wala namang kailangang i-minus or i-add. Diba? 4,000 lang siya. 4,000 pesos. Ayan. Tapos, after natin doon, we have the office equipment. 60,000 pesos. Wala rin siyang adjustment. So, dito pa din. After nyan, we have accumulated depreciation. Transfer lang din natin si 1,000 dito. So, credit natin ng notes payable ang next, which is 210,000. So, under siya ni accumulated depreciation credit. After nito, we have accounts payable, 53,000. Wala din siyang adjustment. Rewrite lang natin dito sa credit side ng adjusted trial balance. Tapos, 1,400 ba? Hindi pa. So, next natin salaries payable. It is 1,800. So, credit under this. So, 1,800. After that, we have 1,400 of utilities payable. So, credit pa din. Yan, mga liabilities. No? After natin doon, we have 3,500 which is interest payable ni owner. There is payable 3,500 credit. Yan. Tapos, credit yan ah. After nun, we have 250,000. Kasi sunod-sunod tayo. So, ang kasunod, diba, utilities payable, capital na. 250,000 credit. Wala naman din siyang adjustment. So, transfer lang natin dito. Ayan. Tapos, after 250,000 pesos, withdrawals, 14,000, debit, walang adjustment. So, 14,000. Yan. Tapos, we have income summary, wala. Consulting revenues, we have 62,400. Credit, tapos wala din siyang adjustment. So, here, yan. Tapos, after that, we have 13,800 ng salaries expense. Now, meron siyang adjustment ng debit. No? 13,800 add ng 1,800 kasi pareho silang nasa debit side. So, add natin. 13,800 plus 1,800. 15,600. Sulat natin sa debit side. So, 15,600 dito. After natin sa salaries expense, we have supplies expense. Wala siya dito, pero may adjustment. So, we have 3,000 pesos salary sa supplies expense. Under salaries expense, we have 3,000 pesos. Tapos, next natin, utilities. Tama ba? Rent muna. Rent expense. Wala siya sa trial balance. Pero meron tayong adjustment na 4,000 debit. So, debit natin siya dito. 4,000. Next natin is the utilities expense. Utilities expense natin is 4,400. Wala din siyang adjustment. Diba? So, transfer lang natin ulit siya sa adjusted. Trial balance natin. Debit. Debit side. Ayan. Tapos, next, we have the depreciation expense, 4,000. Debit. Walang adjustment. So, 4,000 debit. After natin dyan, we have depreciation expense din ni office equipment, which is 1,000 pesos. Transfer lang ulit natin kay adjusted. Ayan, kasi wala naman din siyang adjustments eh. Since adjustment talaga siya. Tapos, adjustment din natin ng interest expense, which is 3,500. Transfer na natin ulit. And then, you know what is next to do? Total ulit. Tingnan ulit kung balanced. And then, magta-transfer na tayo ng amounts kay income statement and balance sheet columns. So, again, we nailed the balance for the adjusted trial balance, which is 587,100. So, isusulat ulit natin siya sa ilalim for the totals. And then, double rule ulit. Tapos, next na tayo. So, ayan, nasulat na ito and double ruled na din. Ngayon, we have the income statement column na. What we'll do is to transfer the amounts from the consulting revenues hanggang interest expense. Iyon lang. Pero ang amounts is manggagaling na sa adjusted trial balance. So, mag-start tayo with consulting, which is 62,400 pababa. Transfer as in copy and paste na lang tayo. No? 62,400 credit. Ayan. Tapos, we have debit ng 15,600 debit. Yan. Tapos, 3,000 ang next. Puro debit to kasi mga expenses. Expenses sila. 4,000 yung next. After 4,000, we have 4,400. No? Yung mga expenses, no? Ang 4,400 is ano to? Yan, utilities. Utilities expense. Transfer na lang natin siya. Yan. Tapos, ang 4,000 natin is depreciation expense. Tapos yung 1,000, yung depreciation din ng office equipment. Tapos, interest ang 5,003. Ay, 3,500. 3,500. So, yan. Transfer lang. Basta, dapat nakatapat pa din siya dun sa mismong account niya. So, ayan. We're done with the income statement. Then, total natin. Tingnan natin kung balanced sila. Look at this. So, debit natin ang daming amounts. Tapos, isa lang yung amount natin sa credit. Pero, tingnan natin kung anong kakalabasan. Just brought down 62,400 since we don't have to add it sa kahit na anong amount. Now, I added these amounts sa debit natin. Ang total na nakuha ko is 35,500. But, does that mean na may mali tayo? Or may error? No. Kasi income statement to. Now, the difference between the debit and the credit natin, iyon ang profit or loss natin. So, since mas malaki ang credit side natin kay debit, isusubtract natin tong debit kay credit. Yung makukuha natin, that's the profit. Ang balance niya is revenue siya or income. Pero, malalaman natin kung tama ba yung nakuha nating profit kapag nagawa na natin yung income statement natin. Next step na yun. Now, upon writing these amounts ng debit and credit sides natin, hindi tayo agad mag-double rule kasi nga hindi naman sila balanced. So, kapag sinubtract natin yung amount na to, diba, 62,400 minus 35,500, 26,900. Sulat natin sa ilalim ni 35,500. Debit yan. Yan. Diba, 26,900. So, pag inad mo siya kay 35,500, 62,400. 62,400. Balance na sila. So, ito total mo siya. Ulit. We'll eventually find out if tama ba yung nakuha nating 26,900 as the profit. No, sulat natin dito profit sa sa row ni 26,900 dito. Para easily identifiable siya. Yan, 26,900. Basta upon the preparation of the income statement, yung mismong financial statement na. Next is to transfer the assets hanggang sa owner's equity. Dito naman sa balance sheet column natin. Yun lang din. Transfer natin from the adjusted trial balance si cash. So, 2,600 debit. Yan. Tapos, 36,000. Tapos, we have 15,000. Ayan, 15, tapos 4,000, debit pa din. Tapos, we have 420. Dito nang tayo titingin sa adjusted trial balance kasi ito na yung dapat talagang gamitin. Ayan, tapos 4,000 credit tayo kasi accumulated depreciation yan. Tapos, Next, 60,000. 60, tapos 1,000. Start na tayo nito sa mga payable natin. Notes payable, accounts payable. After nun, we have 53,000. Ayan, tapos 1,800. 1,400. Tapos, we have 3,500. Tapos, 250,000. Capital na tayo. And lastly, we have the 14,000 withdrawal. Again, hindi po magbabalance ang debit and credit natin dito. Kasi nga, may profit tayo eh. So, supposedly, meron tayong increase sa owner's equity. Tapos, yun yung hahanapin natin ngayon. Okay? Total of our debits is 551,600. You have to write it down here. 551,600. Tapos, I found out that our credit side is having a total amount of only 524,700. Don't worry. Yan. So, subtract natin para malaman natin kung magkano ang increase sa owner's equity natin. So, 551,600 less natin ng 524,700. So, this amount is exactly the same amount with our profit. Tama ba? 26,900. 26,900. So, balanced pa din sila kahit na magkaiba yung amounts ng income statement and ng balance sheet natin. So, that's how accounting works. Hindi pwedeng may sobra kahit piso or kahit na magkanong amount. Basta, same amount. So, lalagay natin to sa credit side. So, 26,900. This is the increase in owner's equity. Tapos, total na natin ulit kung pareho ba silang 551,600. Siyempre, ito, i-bring down lang natin ulit si 551,600. Tapos, add na natin si 524,700 kay 26,900. So, 551,600, balance tayo. So, great. Double rule, and we're done with our worksheet. This is how satisfying a complete worksheet looks like. Now, mas masasatisfy tayo kung tama ba yung nakuha nating profit and the change in owner's equity kapag nagawa na natin yung financial statement. So, stay tuned for the next video. So, ayun, it's my happiness to share knowledge, information, and, skills with you guys. And nakakakalahati na tayo sa accounting cycle. So, just wait for the next uploads. And I'm sure na mas madadalian kayo if papanoorin nyo yung previous videos. Kasi habang patapos na tayo dito sa accounting cycle, mas madali na siya yung process, mas madaling intindihin, at saka minimal na lang yung mga steps. So, God bless you all. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay safe. Bye-bye.